What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now today we are going to be putting this pretty much like right here. We're gonna be getting some fresh air into the cold air filter. So right now we're gonna be measuring. I gotta lift this up first and we're gonna be installing it. First step in doing this, we're gonna be removing 1, 2, 3, all the clips. This is one of the sketchiest things you can do to a car. Yeah, this is difficult, you know, trying to cut into a bumper. You're like, oh, I don't know, man. But let's send it. As you guys see, I've been cutting little by little, measuring. So right now, this is how it fits. Kind of stay in. There's a metal right there, so I really can't do much. But it fits. It's not bad. So as you can see, just pull it down. It cuts like it's butter. But then again, look at this blade. So yeah, you just start taking little by little and just measure. Take your time. All I gotta do is put the bolt, the screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And just hold it in place. It comes with four screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, put this on. I tightened it, so it's not going anywhere. You guys have it. So trust me, once you start cutting into it, you won't be as scared anymore. Once you get the hang of it, you'll be okay. I was very nervous at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be okay. Once you start seeing the results, you'll be okay. You start measuring, you're gonna be like, damn, this is actually gonna look dope. So yeah, so the point I did this was, once the air goes in through here, passes through there, hits the cold air intake, more air. No, it's pretty clean. Let's see, you can see in there. Finished product, guys. Let me know in the comment what you guys think.